my mom and dad didn't know, and they didn't even approve of me to, to play rugby. My name is Vani Arei. I'm originally from Tobu, Talanoa, and I share maternal links to Nukumbalavu village in Savu and also in Salia, Talanoa. So every day, I always go out straight from after school without telling my mom and dad. I go for trainings at 6, and then I usually walk home at around 8 after trainings. That's my everyday schedule. And then from then on, I will speak to represent the Kundrove team. It's CBM to Numia Sevens in New Caledonia. And from there, I went straight to, I divert to a learning school, which is YWAM, Youth with a Mission. I went to Samoa. I did Bible study for about a year and a half, I think. And then moved over to Australia, and that's where I got back into rugby. And I started playing rugby in Box Hill Rugby Club. That's how I got scouted in the Rebels. Then moved up to Queensland with the same program, Youth with a Mission. Played some footy there, got picked with the Reds extended squad, and got the offer for Ndrua. I took it straight away, didn't even hesitate. Most of the people don't know I'm actually from Lau, in a village, Tatoya, Tobu. I'm actually from there, but I was born and raised up in my mom's Kornevasu, which is Nukumbalavu, Savu. And my mom, she's a art and craft. She does art and craft, and my dad, he's a fisherman. Yeah, and also I have 5 siblings. I am the youngest of them. I was living in Melbourne. I was there for missionary work, and I played some footy as well, and that's how I got scouted in the Rebel squad in 2020. And also straight after my first Super W game, I moved up to Brisbane, played some footy as well there in a club called Sunnybank Rugby Club. And then I think it was just a few games, I got the email from the Reds to be part of the extended squad in 2022, and that's where I got the Ndrua offer. To my parents, every time when I struggle, I always look at a picture of them, and I always say, yeah, I'm doing this for them, and I always go hard every day, even though if I don't have enough, I just want my family to have enough, even though I don't have enough. I want to see them smiling, even though I'm suffering from here. I don't care, everything is just about them. When I was in Australia, actually, yeah, and they tend to accept that, yes, I've got a passion in rugby, and yeah, they just come to a term to accept it.
Placement scrum half came on for Lumu Sakata, who's injured. Numbers, and a clear run for the line yet again for Vani Arei.
Oh, it's been massive. After that, it's been massive. Every time, every game, they've been sending messages. Even after every loss, after every win, they're always there with their message, encouraging or it's just anything. It's massive.
And a penalty against Lane Morgan. So backwards and forwards, and Ndrua, another good opportunity. Thumu goes quickly. Unai Sewa is to Wake. The Ndrua looking for options. Strong from Serevi. Inches away. Here they go. Through the hands and over. Arei gives them that second hit that they needed.
It's always the little things to give my best in every game I played and to be the best I can. 2024 rugby season, it was hard. We reached the final. We didn't get what we want, but I was thankful for the journey, all the struggles we faced. I'm glad that we reached that point. I mean, there's always a winning side and a losing side. Yeah, it's not every day we win games. It's just, I think that was our learning. Maybe next year we could do better, and just improve from what we didn't do better this year.
Plenty of content this time of year to satisfy. As we see the Drua, first touch in hand, they've got a yawning gap to play in on the far side. They'll entrust it with Milania. Milania breaks away from one. Milania wanted to offload desperately, and she will. There it is with Arei! And they'll crash through for an early score in the second half.
Well, the Drua making the most of the Reds having a man down in this opening portion of the second half, and what a wonderful play.